Vinegar is the surprising hero in the cleaning world. Imagine replacing 10 chemical-laden cleaners with just one bottle of vinegar. It's acidic, cutting through grime and bacteria like a pro. Did I mention it costs under $5? Game changer. Its disinfecting magic is pure science. Vinegar's acetic acid tackles pathogens by breaking down cell membranes. Think microscopic demolition expert. You'll never believe toilet seats and countertops can get so germ-free without a lab coat. By bacteria. Imagine the horror of stubborn limescale clinging to your shower head. Enter vinegar. Simple soak and that mineral mess vanishes. It's like having a cleaning crew in a jug. Plus, it's eco-friendly. Our planet thanks you. Grease-stained oven. Stunned by burnt-on chaos. A vinegar baking soda paste is your MVP. Coat weight white. Witness a spotless display worthy of a showroom. Super satisfying. And trust me, your nose will appreciate the difference. Pro tip, mix vinegar with water for a streak-free window cleaner. Reflect on that spotless clarity as you gaze outside. It's the same secret many cleaning services don't want you to know. No harsh chemicals, just clear views. Laundry woes, toss half a cup of vinegar into your washing machine. Watch odors and soap residue disappear. This natural fabric softener leaves clothes fluffy sans chemicals. Yeah, it's like magic, except it's measurable, like brighter whites, softer fibers. And desperate to banish weird fridge smells, place a bowl of vinegar inside overnight. Its odor eliminating powers are unparalleled. Imagine not holding your breath every time you open the fridge. Breathe easy, courtesy of this aromatic conqueror. No more hazardous air fresheners. A vinegar water spray with citrus peels freshens rooms naturally. Kitchen, bathroom, even your car. It's like bringing the health of fresh orchards into your space. And hey, your pets will love it too. Let's talk drain cleaning. Pour half a cup of baking soda, then follow with vinegar. The fizzing show is science in action. Voila, a clear drain. Clogs vanish without caustic chemicals harming pipes. Your pipes will thank you. Floors should be pristine, right? A vinegar solution mops away dirt and germs without leaving residues. It's gentle on skin, meaning it's kids friendly, and you'll want to dance barefoot on those floors just to feel how spotless they are. Tired of cloudy glassware, rinse with a vinegar solution, and they'll sparkle like new. It's a transformation you'll have to see to believe. Stop settling for dingy glasses. Vinegar ensures every sip feels fancy. In Portland, quirky as it might sound, vinegar is not just for fish and chips. It's a testament to our love for sustainable solutions. And anyone else think a Vinegar Appreciation Club is called for? If you haven't tried it yet, what's stopping you? Well,